How to fix Slack cannot archive channel. To fix the Slack cannot archive channel error, verify that you are not trying to archive the #general channel, as Slack software architecture permanently prevents the primary core channel from being archived or deleted. And also, if the archive this channel option is missing entirely, you have to check the admin settings. Workspace owners can restrict the channel management to preserve the organization data. Click your workspace name in the top left, then go to the Tools and Settings. Then head to the Workspace settings and go to Permissions. If your administrator has set channel archiving to admins only, regular member will not be able to freeze the rooms and archive. So you must ask a workspace admin or IT help desk to archive it for you. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.